So today's webinar is on Stay Home with the Living app. So what is the Stay-Home-Living app? Stay-Home-Living is a free senior-friendly app designed for those who are new to technology and interested in learning how to navigate the internet. It contains a variety of helpful, entertaining, and engaging sites, all in one app. Why was it created? The app was developed with the goal of allowing seniors to have the ability to stay connected, entertained, and active during the COVID-19 pandemic. One of the developers, Barry Jones, saw how isolating and affected his grandparents were, as their social circles had deteriorated due to restrictions. Knowing that many seniors did not have much access to technology, the Stay-Home-Living app includes for various technology needs under one virtual roof. It also allows seniors to reconnect with many of the things they love and miss, all in the comfort of their own homes. Why is it useful? The Stay-Home-Living app is extremely useful for seniors and other tech newcomers who only have one device and are seeking to learn more about the use of the internet. The 7 windows provided on the virtual home will redirect users after clicking a specific window. This is helpful for users as it allows them to stay connected with family and friends, keep physically active, be entertained, get assistance with various home services, grocery, meal delivery, transportation, home maintenance, etc., receive home health care, booking virtual appointments, local clinic wait times, mental health support options, etc., and access to calendar or your notebook. How to install this app? Installing the Stay-Home-Living app on your device. The Stay-Home-Living app can be installed only from the Stay-Home-Living website, not the App Store or Google Play Store. On the front page of the website, there are videos provided for seniors who may need help downloading the app on their iPad or tablet. If the user chooses to use a computer or laptop instead, then it does not require any installing, as they can quickly register and log in on their internet browser. Here's a step-by-step process for computers or laptops. You go to the Stay-Home-Living website, and then when you're at the website, you click the large red button that says click here to get the free app. It will redirect you to a new page. On the top left side of your screen, it will say login and register. If you click register, you can make a new account. When you insert your name, email, and password, then you click register again. It will redirect you to the login page with your information. Click login and begin exploring your virtual home. Here's a step-by-step for Apple mobile users. If you're using an iPhone or an iPad, just click on Safari, and then from there you can go to the Stay-Home-Living website, and then there you will find a large red button that says click here to get the free app, and then you should go ahead and you click it. Okay, so if you're using an iPhone or an iPad, you should go on the Safari web browser. So go to the website www.stayhomeliving.com. Then on the website, you will find a large red button that says click here to get the free app. You should go ahead and click it. And on the bottom bar of your device, click the little box with an arrow pointing up. It should look something like this. And after you click on the little box with an arrow pointing up, you can find the option Add to Home Screen, and then you press Add. The Stay-Home-Living app icon is now on your device home screen. So whenever you want to use the app, just click on the icon. Here's a step-by-step process for Android users. From your internet browser, Google Chrome, go to the Stay-Home-Living website. Then on the website, there should be a large red button that says click here to get the free app. It will redirect you to the register login page where you can click install app, then register, and then press install. The Stayhome-Living app will now be on your device home screen. Whenever you want to use the app, just click on it and enter your login information. Here is a tour of the app. So when you first download it, you should find this home screen with many different options like agenda, entertainment, learning, services, activities, support, and healthcare. You can access your calendar and notes from the agenda part of the website, and then if you click support, you will be led to the Stayhome-Living email address, where you can contact them about any questions or concerns you may have. The service window at the bottom near the door is where you can order secured grocery meals or deliveries and schedule home maintenance. And the healthcare window over here by the window of the house is where you can book online virtual meetings with doctors, meditate, guide to a healthy diet, and more. The entertainment, where you can access the internet basically with news broadcasting systems, travel shows, free TV streaming services, etc. In the activities window, you can play your favorite games, download books, magazines, follow along to fitness videos. And on the Connect window, it allows you to access a variety of social platforms. This includes email, Zoom, Skype, Facebook, and more. And on the Learning window, it provides you with free online technology instruction videos for seniors. Here are some of the pros and cons of the app. Pros: all secondary resources need to socialize, learn technology, order deliveries, keep fit, stay organized, and more. And this can be accessed through the different windows of the virtual home. The user does not need to use their web browser and spend time searching for a trusted service. The user is also provided with a lot of support and information to get started with the app. The Stayhome-Living email, instruction videos, and etc. The app is entirely free to use. This includes all the services and resources provided. The size of the text and icons of the app are clear and large enough to see. Some of the cons of using this app is that you cannot install this app through the usual downloading process, the App Store or Google Play Store. And this might be confusing for some users. You have to use the website and download it from there. There's also a lot of content on the app, which can be both helpful and overwhelming. If you're using a mobile device, such as an iPhone or a tablet, you must insert your email and password every time you use the app. You're advised to write down your login information on a separate piece of paper or a notebook in order to remember it.
We will now be conducting a live demo on the Stayhome-Living app and website. To access the website, you can either Google Stayhome-Living, and it should be the first search result that appears, and just click on this right here. Or you can click on the link provided in the presentation. stayhomeliving.com/dev. So here on the homepage, we have some general information about the app and website. If you scroll down, it lets you know more about what is included, how you can stay connected, active, and entertained by using its services. A preview of the app. There's also an introductory video available to learn more. And if you continue to scroll down, there's more helpful information and testimonials. So to download the app or to access the web version, you can click this red button here in the right-hand corner. From here, you can log in if you already have an account, or if it's your first time using it, you can click register. From there, simply enter your name, your email address, and a password to create an account. Since we already have a shell account for the demo, I will use this to log in. And now this will be the main page of the Stayhome-Living website and app. And here is all of the information and resources that it offers. So as you can see, we have the support link, legacy, agenda, activities, entertainment, connect, healthcare, learning, which is the getting started video, and services. Each of these different windows, so to speak, will lead you to different links and resources. So if we were to explore services by clicking on this window here, as you can see, it gives us several subcategories such as groceries, meals, transportation, home maintenance, CARP, and Canada 211. So these two links would be more specific for Canadian seniors. If I were to want to learn more about groceries, easy, secure shopping, and delivery, I can click this link, and it gives me even more options to learn about Instacart, Save on Foods, Spud.ca, Walmart, and voila. So let's look at Instacart. And now it takes me straight to the Instacart website where I'm able to search for products and make purchases. To go back to the home page, press the back button a few times. And here we're back at our home, our literal home screen. So let's say I want to look at the agenda window. Here it will give me access to a computer calendar and the notepad. So if I want to use the calendar and click on this, it will redirect me to Google Calendar. And from here, I can create events, I can look at my appointments, create Google Meets, and much more. So as you can tell, the value of this system is that it just provides many different links and resources that you will need to do your different daily tasks in one place. And it simplifies the process of using the internet for people who maybe don't have as much experience or who have trouble searching for different websites or keeping things organized and all in one place. This app and website does it all for you. So this concludes the live demonstration of the Stayhome-Living app.
And after the live demo, thank you for listening, and we'll be doing breakout rooms after this.